Okay guys, before you send me a bunch of comments saying, well, you already videoed this car. Well, I did. This 97 Mazda RX-7. But remember I told you it had a LS1 motor in it, V8 conversion? Well, last time the hood was down on it, so today they were kind enough to open the hood and look what's underneath this RX-7. Wow. I would love to drive this car. Love to drive this car. I'm glad they got the hood up on it because I wanted to see it last couple videos ago. If you go back and you'll see, I'm not going to do too much in the car here, but let's have the LS1 in it. This is insane, man.
Oh, I know that LS1 in there?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, and it screams too.
Does it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you driven it? Yeah.
Well, as a consignor, I have to drive almost all of them.
Do you?
You know, I got to check it for, stability,
Right.
traction, lights work, something messed up in the transmission, they don't want to tell you.
Right.
So, oh yeah, it's
Wow.
it's good.
Okay. Thanks, man. There you go. He's driven it. That guy right there. And he said it screams, so I'll take his word for it. I forgot what they were asking for it. 29, 30,000, so that's not too bad, I guess, for the conversion on it. Here's the inside for you if anybody's interested. I like this car. This is a nice little car, man. This is a little bit too much for money for me. Damn, this sucker will haul ass with that V8 in it. Hey guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to their channel and leave your comments down below. Have a good one.